In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save an Excel chart as an image. This is a quick and useful Excel tip, especially if you want to place a chart into a presentation, a report, an email, or any other document without sharing the full spreadsheet. Saving the chart as an image also helps preserve the look of the chart so it appears the same when you use it somewhere else. Start by going to your Excel chart and making sure you click on the correct area. This part is important. You need to right-click on the blank outer border or edge of the chart, not on a bar, line, title, label, or other chart element. The goal is to select the chart as a whole. If you right-click on the wrong part, you may see a different menu, and the option you need may not appear. Once you are right-clicking on the outer edge of the chart, a context menu will open. In that menu, look for the option called Save as Picture and select it. This tells Excel that you want to export the chart itself as a separate image file. After that, Excel will open a Save window. Here, choose the folder where you want the image to be stored. It is a good idea to pick a location that is easy to find later, such as your desktop or a project folder. You will also be able to choose the image format. PNG is recommended in most cases because it usually gives you crisp text and clear lines, which is especially helpful for charts, labels, and small details. If needed, you can choose another format, but PNG is often the best default choice for quality. Once you have selected your folder and chosen your preferred format, click Save. Excel will then create an image version of your chart in that location. You can now insert that image into other files, upload it, or share it just like any other picture. If you want to confirm everything worked correctly, open the saved image and take a quick look at it. That can help you make sure the chart is clear and saved in the format you expected. That covers everything you need to know.